If you want to share a TikTok video to Facebook, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your TikTok, alright? And basically what you're going to do, you're going to wait for a few moments. And basically, I can just go ahead and select any video for that matter. Also, for example, this video, right? Click the share button at the bottom right. And you're going to see the social media apps that you're currently using. Go ahead and click Facebook, for example, right? And you'll be redirected to Facebook feed, right? Enter your login credentials from here. So I'm going to log in with my account. Continue. I'm going to wait for a few moments right here. And basically add the verification. You're going to see right here the home feed. And you're going to be able to write something about this post. And then you're going to be able to share it to friends or share it public or friends accept. And then hit done at the bottom and then post that video to your Facebook. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.